So that was the Boca tournament. Had no idea they were doing that. We're headed off to the beach here, enjoying paradise, where they have the rehab, the cleanup. It's really great. They did a great job in cleaning this beach up. It's very white beach, pure sand. They really did a great job, and the people really love it. So the people who didn't even like Boracay because of some of the pollutants before, they love it now. So it's got a really great marking from even, that's not funny, that's not funny. They got a great marking from people who didn't like it before. They really love Boracay, and it really has a great name now. And hopefully we can keep that for a long time to come.
I'm breathing here?
Yeah. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Fred.
Hi, Fred. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Fred.
What's your name?
My name's Brian.
Brian, hi.
Hi, Fred.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm from US and from California. Yeah, I wish they all could be California girls. No, Filipina girls, Filipina girls.
That's a good place.
Huh? Yeah, that's Bebop. She's a dancing bird. Born and raised in Boracay.
Oh, is that right?
She's a Boracay, 9 years old, 9. She's a Boracay baby, right, Bebop?
The camera or something.
Yeah, of course, you're very handsome. Why wouldn't I want to film Fred? He's an awesome guy. Meet Fred, meet Fred. So that's it from Boracay. I hope you had fun. Take care. Subscribe.